Hello, and welcome to Cocktail Creations at Chez Bistro. Today, we're learning how to build the Bourbon Street for all you bourbon lovers out there. The build of the cocktail is 1 ounce of New Holland Beer Barrel Bourbon. Other bourbons would be an appropriate substitute for New Holland's Beer Barrel Bourbon. A ½ ounce of Gran Marnier, which is a triple sec with cognac as well, that gives it a nice caramely taste. Lillet, a French fortified wine, 1 ounce's worth. And 2 dashes of Peychauds bitters. An appropriate substitute will be Angostura bitters. So we're doing 1 ounce of our New Holland Beer Barrel Bourbon, ½ ounce of our Gran Marnier, and 1 ounce of our Lillet French fortified wine. Adding our 2 dashes of Peychauds bitters. We're going to give our cocktail a 10 to 20 second stir to ensure it's properly diluted, but not overly so. Now, straining into our glass. And garnishing with a lemon twist.
Ooh, well, I bet you it's naughty and nice. This is the naughty.
Now, when we're getting our lemon twist, we're concerned with excluding this white pith, which is the bitter element. And we're concerned with getting this exterior yellow skin that contains the oils of the lemon. You're left with your final product, a delicious Bourbon Street. Shout out to my man Matt Hurth for being the original creator of this cocktail.